Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export your grades into your student information system. Currently this feature is only available for Infinite Campus users with the Campus Learning license. Before you begin to export grades, you have to link your Google Classroom to your class and your student information system. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to create a new class. Head over to the Add button, choose Create a Class, and now you'll see Google has automatically linked all my classes from within the student information system into Google Classroom. I have to select the class I wish to work with. Let's use this as an example, and then click Select. Now I would proceed as if I was creating a regular Google Classroom. I'll enter the class details and click Create here. Now my new class will be linked to my class within my student information system. The second way is to link to an existing class. I'll use this class as an example. Since I made this classroom before this feature was available, I now have to link the class via the Settings icon, which is the gear on the top right. I'll click Settings and scroll down to General. Under General, click Link to Class, located here. Now, choose the class you wish to link your current Google Classroom to. I'm going to click the drop-down to choose the class that corresponds to this Google Classroom from the selections within my student information system. Then you click Link. The gradebook for this Google Classroom has now been linked to the gradebook within my student information system. Now I can export grades. To do this, exit the class settings, click on Grades, and at the right you'll see a Student Information System Export button. You can only export return grades. In addition, classwork needs to have a due date that is current within the SIS grading period. Draft grades will not export. You must return the grade to the student. To return the grade, you can click on these three dots by the assignment and click Return All. Or if you just want to return the grades of the ones that have been submitted, head over to those particular assignments, click the three dots, and click Return. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to return this assignment to all the students who have submitted it to me. I'll head to the top of the assignment. I'll click the three dots. I'll return all. I can see 14 students have completed the assignment and have been given grades. They'll be notified and can check their grades, and I'll click Return. These grades have now been returned to the students, and I can export their grades into the student information system. Before we continue, I've opened up a second tab, which is my gradebook. As you can see, there are no grades and no assignments posted within my gradebook. I'm going to head back over to my Google Classroom, and I'm ready to export that assignment and those grades into my gradebook. I'll click on Student Information System Export, and I'll choose the assignment that I have grades for. I'm going to scroll down to find the assignment that I just returned with grades, located here. As you can see, there's 14 grades that I can export. I'll click on SIS Export, and I'll let the magic happen. All I have to do now is head back to my Infinite Campus. I've refreshed the page. As you can see, I now have a notification that I have an assignment that needs to be categorized. I'll head over to the notification. I'll choose the assignment, which was the one we just exported from Google Classroom. I'll select Standard Grading Task as a marking period grade, and the category is a classwork participation grade. I'll save. I'll click OK now that the assignment has been aligned. I'll close this notification menu, and you'll see the classwork grade has now posted. The assignment is here, and the students that have submitted have grades. I hope this tutorial will help you navigate how to export grades from Google Classroom into your student information system. Please like this video and remember to subscribe to my channel.